Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the email you provided is not supported by ChatGPT, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, check if the email is correct or use another email address. Because if the issue is with the email address, then you will have to fix it anyway. The next one is to clear the browser cache. So open the browser. Let's say it's a Chromium based browser like Edge or Chrome. The procedure is similar. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history. Click on this history symbol here. Change the time range to all time. Okay. And then click on clear now. The next solution is to try the incognito mode. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select new in private window. And try it in the in private window. If it helps, then the issue could be with extensions, and obviously try another browser. So if it works with another browser or the incognito mode, then click on these three dots here, select extensions, click on manage extensions. If there's any problematic extension, use the switch to disable it and finally remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.